Hi, I'm Daniel Green and welcome to the Gourmia kitchen. Here in Gourmia, we're not just about the new, we're also about the next. As in, the next big thing for fun dining and socializing. Fondue, oh how very passé. So what's next in fun fine dining? The Raclette is making a huge comeback, and hats off to Gourmia because their new sizzling Sombrero electric Raclette party grill makes it an irresistible way to enjoy delicious and fun experiences. First, some Raclette basics. The art of Raclette cooking centers around this party grill, which has 6 easily removable Raclette pans. Step 1. Prepare a platter of bite-sized foods. From potatoes to onions, mushrooms, peppers, olives, tomatoes, breads, sausages, seafood, charcuterie, fruits, cookie dough, and place it in the pans. Step 2. Place your favorite cheese on top. Raclette is traditionally cheese, but try a theme night like Cheddar Island, where everyone has a different kind of cheddar cheese. Yellow, white, sharp, mild, smoked. Then for the chocoholics, what about Chocoholic Frolic, with everyone trying a different kind of chocolate? You getting the idea now? Truth is, when it comes to the fun art of raclette, there's really no wrong ingredients. Why? Prepare to see it for yourself. Now turn the control dial and adjust the heat accordingly. Higher if everyone's hungry, lower if you're still waiting for some latecomers to arrive. Now the heat is on and the electric heating element begins melting the cheese in the removable pans. And while you're waiting, if you prefer your food grilled, you and your guests can be grilling them simply by placing them on this specially shaped sombrero ridges until they're done to your liking. Think that's it? Think again, because the brim of our outstanding sizzling sombrero doubles nicely as a bowl, ideally for broths and even light sauces. Don't worry about them staying hot. The state-of-the-art heating element right underneath will take care of that. And don't worry about a major cleanup either, because the surfaces are all non-stick coated. Though if you must worry about something, worry about all those friends of yours who invested in home sushi and tapas kits and how they will feel once they join you in the Gourmia sizzling sombrero for a real raclette party.